Ideas and innovations, drive and inventiveness, are more important than ever. Government, industry, and society are facing major challenges and changes. From geopolitical conflicts and demographic change, through to economic crises and the climate and energy crisis. But these challenges open up new opportunities to shape our future with skills and expertise, so that we can find answers to the central questions of our time and emerge stronger from these crises. For 75 years, Fraunhofer has worked hand in hand with partners from industry, research, and the public sector to put innovations into practice. That's because knowledge transfer is the backbone of our innovation system. Since Fraunhofer was founded in 1949, our mission has been to act as supporter, guide, and driving force for industry. The proven Fraunhofer model provides the basis for this transformation process and is our reliable compass for successful market-driven transfer. We take responsibility for a future worth living in by taking economic, ecological, and socially sustainable actions and upholding the principle of diversity. In this way, we contribute to a strong society that is economically and politically sovereign. Fraunhofer, 75 years of innovation. We know how.